Hello students, good morning everyone. In today's class, you will learn third unit prose 3 from your third unit. Unit name is Our Nation and third prose, that is third lesson name is The Guardians of the Nation. Guardians means who are protecting our nation. Okay? Okay children, before going into today's topic, I want you to recall last class topic also. In last class, you learned that Anand and Yalini was watching TV together with their father, is it? And then father tells a story about Carmugilan. Who was Carmugilan? Did you remember it? Okay children, very good children. This is a very easy lesson children. Please listen it carefully. If you have any doubt, please clarify with me children. In this lesson, you are going to learn more about Carmugilan and how we can serve our nation without joining in army. Because Anand's father said that everyone cannot join in army because everyone didn't get a chance to serve in the army, is it? And it is very tough job to join in army. So by doing our role, we can serve our nation. By doing your role means you are a student. If you learn well, our nation will be good, is it? So you are going to serve our nation by doing your role correctly. Okay children, father started to told about Carmugilan's story, is it? Carmugilan was a doctor who died serving the people. Who was Carmugilan? Carmugilan was the doctor. He died because of serving the people. He was very young and talented. He studied in USA and returned India and treated people free of cost. Here I will going to explain you about today's topic. Let's we move on to today's topic children. Yalini asked, were his parents not angry with him? Dad said they were angry, but they know he was happy. Yalini is asking that whether his parents, Carmugilan's parents, was not angry with him. Dad replied that yes, they were angry. But his parents knew that Carmugilan was happy. So they allowed Carmugilan to do his service to the nation. One day, dengue broke out in the nearby villages. Please listen carefully. This is your important 1 mark. One day, dengue fever affected in the nearby villages. He left to those villages to treat the people. He saved the lives of many. He was soon well in the village and people poured in to get treated. But one day, he got infected by the disease and was taken to the city hospital. He was in critical conditions. His parents were upset and worried. He told his parents that he had done his duty to the country and was happy. In a couple of days, he died. In his memory, the people of the village have built a hospital and treat people at free of cost. One day, in nearby villages, people affected by dengue fever. So, he started treating village people and he was well known. Well known means very famous in the village. One day, he got infected. Got infected means he was infected by dengue disease and taken to the city hospital and he was being admitted in the city hospital. He was in a critical condition. His condition is very critical, very dangerous condition. His parents also very upset and worried about his health. But Carmugilan told that he was very happy because he done his duty to the nation. He served so many people from dengue. Is it? He treated so many people from dengue fever. In a couple of days, he also died. Very sad, is it? Carmugilan also died because of the dengue fever. In his memory, people of the village built a hospital and treated people at free of cost. That is how Carmugilan's story gets over here. Okay? What did Carmugilan did in this story? He served the nation by doing his duty. Is it? He studied in USA. He went to abroad and he studied there. And also returned back to India. He didn't settle there itself. He wanted to serve his nation, so he returned to India and treated people at free of cost without getting any money. He treated people at free of cost. One day, dengue fever affected in the nearby villages. So, Carmugilan went there and treated people at free of cost. Soon later, he also gets affected by the dengue fever. So, he was admitted in city hospital. In a couple of days, means in 2 days, he also died. Very sad, is it? Yes. But he told his parents that he was happy because he done his duty to the country, and so he was happy. In that village, people from that village have built a new hospital and also treated people at free of cost. That's how Carmugilan's story gets over, children. I explained you clearly. If you have any doubt, please clarify with me, children. That's really great, Dad. He is a real hero, said Yalini. Yalini tells that he is a real hero. Yalini said to her father that really great, and Carmugilan is a real hero. Father replied, each one of us should love and respect our country. We should treat everyone around us with love and respect. That is a real service to the nation. Father is telling that each one of us should love and respect our country. We should respect and we should love our country. We should treat everyone around us with love and respect. We should respect everyone. We should treat everyone equally and we should respect everyone. That is the real service to the nation. By doing this, this is a real service to the nation. Okay, children. What father is replying in the last stanza? In the last paragraph, see, each one of us should love and respect our country. Everyone should love and respect our own country, is it? We should treat everyone around us with love and respect. We should treat everyone with respect and we should treat everyone equally. That's the real service to the nation. This is only a real service to our nation. Okay? Okay, children, this is the main point of this story. Okay? Now, in this section, I completed third unit, that is third lesson, the guardians of the nation. Your third lesson is over and now you are going to learn book back exercise from this lesson. Okay, children? So, from today, you should respect everyone and also treat everyone equally. Will you, children? Okay, good, children. And also, we should love and respect our country. This is the main idea of this prose. So, by doing this, we can serve our nation. Now, we move on to one words, that is book back exercise, choose and fill ups. Okay? Today, your assignment is you are going to write choose and fill ups 2 times. Okay children, come let's we move on to today's assignment topic. First one is choose the best answer. Number 1, Carmugilan went to dash for higher studies. Where he went? He went to USA. And then second one, dash broke out in the nearby villages. Dengue. Dengue broke out in the nearby villages, is it? And third one is he got dash the disease, infected by the disease. And fourth one is the villagers built a hospital on his memory. Now we move on to fill in the blanks, children. Fill up first one is mother handed them bowl of chickpea sundal. Dash is the memorial for the soldiers Amar Jawan Jyoti. And third one is flag day is observed on 7th of December. And then fourth one is yet dash dies for the nation soldier. And then last one is who was a young and talented doctor? Yes, very good. Carmugilan. Carmugilan was a young and talented doctor. Now you are going to write, choose the correct answers and fill in the blanks 2 times. Please listen. It is very easy lesson. Please understand and study well. Okay. If you have any doubt, ask to me. Okay. I hope you thoroughly understood this lesson. Thank you children. Please do all your homework. Please do respect for your homeworks. Okay. Thank you.